Top 5 places you need to visit in Fort Kochi. First one is the Chinese fishing nets. The iconic fishing nets are one of the most photographed spots in Kochi. They were introduced by the Chinese traders and they still function the same way. Second is the St. Francis Church. This is the oldest European church in India with deep colonial history. It was built by the Portuguese and later taken over by the Dutch. Third one is the Mattancherry Palace. It is also known as the Dutch Palace. Inside you'll find depicting scenes from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Next up is the Jewtown and Synagogue. This area is famous for its old world charm and antique shops. The synagogue here is 400 years old and it is still active. Last is the street of Fort Kochi. Princess Street and the Rose Street are the most famous ones. They're lined up with colonial style buildings, art galleries, and every corner feels aesthetic. You'll also find one of the best cafes here, perfect for relaxing, clicking pictures, and soaking in the vibe. So save this reel for your Kerala trip, and for the best experience, always book through a trusted travel agent.